Ever felt that mini heart attack when you realize your debit card isn't where it should be? Your mind races, picturing all sorts of worst-case scenarios. It's a truly unsettling feeling, isn't it? In today's fast-paced world, where digital transactions are the norm, the security of our financial information is paramount. A lost or stolen debit card can quickly become a major headache, potentially leading to unauthorized purchases and significant financial loss. Think about it for a moment. Your debit card is essentially a direct link to your bank account. If it falls into the wrong hands, those funds could be at serious risk. The anxiety and stress that come with this realization are something most of us would rather avoid altogether. Fortunately, modern banking offers solutions that empower us to take immediate action when such situations arise. One such powerful tool is the ability to instantly lock your debit card. This feature, offered by many financial institutions, acts as a digital deadbolt, preventing any further transactions until you can locate your card or decide to order a replacement. It's a crucial first step in mitigating potential damage and regaining peace of mind. Today, we're going to dive deep into how you can leverage this invaluable feature specifically if you are an Ally Bank customer. Ally Bank, known for its online-centric approach and user-friendly services, makes locking and unlocking your debit card a straightforward process. Whether you're tech-savvy or just getting comfortable with digital banking, you'll find the steps we're about to outline easy to follow. We'll explore the various methods Ally provides for instantly locking your debit card, ensuring you have the knowledge and confidence to act swiftly should the need ever arise. From utilizing their mobile app to navigating their website, we'll cover all the essential steps. So, if you're an Ally Bank customer, or even if you're just curious about how this vital security feature works, stick around. This video will equip you with the information you need to protect your finances in a potentially stressful situation. Let's get started and learn how to take control of your card security right now. The primary and most convenient way to instantly lock your Ally debit card is through their highly rated mobile application. If you haven't already, make sure you have the Ally mobile app downloaded on your smartphone or tablet and that you're logged in. Once you're inside the app, the process is designed to be intuitive and quick. First, locate the section that deals with your accounts. This is usually found on the main dashboard or accessible through a menu. Look for your checking account associated with the debit card you want to lock. Tap on this account to view its details. Within the account details, you should find an option related to managing your debit card. This might be labeled as debit card services, card management, or something similar. Tap on this option. Here, you'll likely see several features related to your debit card, such as viewing your PIN, reporting a lost or stolen card, and, importantly, the option to lock or freeze your card. The terminology might vary slightly depending on app updates, but look for a clear indication of a lock card or freeze card function. Once you've found this option, tap on it. The app will likely present you with a confirmation screen, explaining what happens when you lock your card. Typically, this means that all new purchase attempts and ATM withdrawals will be declined. However, recurring payments that you've previously set up might still go through. Be sure to read the information carefully on the confirmation screen. After reviewing the information, you will usually need to tap a button to confirm that you want to proceed with locking your card. This might say lock card, freeze card, or a similar affirmative action. Once confirmed, you should receive a notification within the app confirming that your debit card has been successfully locked. It's worth noting that the Ally mobile app also usually provides an equally simple way to unlock your card if you happen to find it. The process is generally the reverse of locking it. You navigate back to the card management section and tap on an unlock card or unfreeze card option. Using the mobile app is often the fastest and most convenient method because most people have their smartphones readily accessible. It allows you to take immediate action no matter where you are, providing a crucial layer of security in those critical moments when your card goes missing. Another method to instantly lock your Ally debit card is through their online banking portal, accessible via their website on your computer or mobile browser. If you don't have the mobile app or prefer to manage your accounts through a web interface, this is a reliable alternative. To begin, navigate to the official Ally Bank website and log into your online banking account using your username and password. Once you're logged in, you'll typically be taken to your account dashboard, which provides an overview of your various Ally accounts. Locate the checking account associated with the debit card you wish to lock. Click on this account to view its details. Within the Account Details page, you should find a section related to your debit card. This might be presented as a separate tab or a clearly labeled section within the account summary. Look for options like Debit Card Services or Manage Card. Clicking on this section will usually present you with a range of options related to your debit card management. Among these options, you should find the ability to lock or freeze your card. The wording might vary slightly, but look for a clear indication of this functionality. Once you've located the lock card or freeze card option, click on it. Similar to the mobile app, the website will likely display a confirmation message explaining the implications of locking your card. Make sure to read this information carefully to understand what transactions will be blocked. After reviewing the information, you'll need to confirm your decision to lock the card. This usually involves clicking a button such as Lock Card, Freeze Card, or Confirm. Once you've confirmed, the system will process your request, and you should receive an on-screen confirmation that your debit card has been successfully locked. Just like with the mobile app, the online banking portal also allows you to easily unlock your card if you find it. Simply navigate back to the card management section and look for an unlock card or unfreeze card option. Clicking this and confirming will reactivate your debit card for future use. Using the online banking portal provides a convenient alternative to the mobile app, especially if you're already using your computer or prefer a larger screen for managing your financial information. It ensures that you have access to this crucial security feature regardless of the device you have at hand. While the mobile app and online banking portal are the quickest and most direct ways to instantly lock your Ally debit card, there might be situations where you don't have access to either. In such cases, contacting Ally Bank's customer service directly is another viable option. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.